The Prime Minister has spoken on the debate on corruption and offered a twin formula, or rather it seems that he seems to have now a new strategy which is two-pronged. Navika Kumar, political editor from The Capital, with more on the Prime Minister's new formula. Navika.
Well, Maruk, the Prime Minister's speech in Parliament today in a reply to the debate on corruption held in Lok Sabha clearly hinted out at a new strategy. One was to bring the entire Lokpal discussion on the floor of the Parliament, make it a Parliament issue, and therefore no longer should the government really be on attack by Team Anna and his supporters, and that's what he's done. He said that the government is open to a debate in Parliament, but this debate will have provisions of all the formulae in the government's draft and also all the other versions of Lokpal that have been put in public domain, which is the Jan Lokpal, which is Team Anna's, Aruna Roy's version of the Lokpal bill, as also Jay Prakash Narayan, a Hyderabad-based NGO's version of the Lokpal bill. And he said that all of this can be debated on the floor of the House, clearly deviating, extending that olive branch, come and debate it on the floor of the House. He's got the opposition support to do that, because Sushma Swaraj, leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, at the end of this entire speech by the Prime Minister, supported that and appealed to Anna to withdraw his fast. The second part of the Prime Minister's strategy was to take on the opposition directly, especially Murli Manohar Joshi, who had pointed fingers at the Prime Minister's involvement in various corruption deals, whether it was CWG or 2G. And the Prime Minister made a personal, emotive speech saying that he had been in public life for 41 years and that anyone was, open to come and look at his private assets and assets of his family to prove a single allegation against him on corruption by his own self. So clearly using his personal integrity card to silence the opposition, and of course using the parliamentary process really to silence Team Anna and his supporters. Will this strategy work? We'll have to wait and watch, because we are expecting fast-paced developments over the next few hours, whether or not this finally works, or whether the government will have to move Anna to hospital, something that has been debated internally, though officially there's no word on it.
Navika Kumar, stay on with us. Here's the Prime Minister who spoke on the floor of the House, giving this new option, saying that all versions of the Lokpal bill must be debated on the floor of the House. Pranab Mukherjee adding to that, and Sushma Swaraj reacting as well.
I would urge Shri Anna Hazare to end this fast. We will find effective ways and means of discussing the Jan Lokpal bill along with the government version of the bill, along with Shri Aruna Roy bill, along with the ideas in the paper that Dr. Jay Prakash Narayan has submitted. All ideas should be discussed, debated, so that we have a bill which is the best possible bill, which will help us to deal with the problem of corruption.
अपील की है श्री अन्ना हजारे जी से अपना अनशन त्यागने की। मुझे लगता है वो अपील सारे सदन की अपील बन जाए तो कहीं ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा। मैं विपक्ष की तरफ से स्वयं को संबद्ध करते हुए ये अपील करना चाहूँगी कि श्री अन्ना हजारे जी अपना अनशन त्याग दें। उनकी जो एक मांग है, एक प्रभावी और सशक्त लोकपाल बिल लाने की, मैं यहाँ से कहना चाहती हूँ कि देश एक प्रभावी और सशक्त लोकपाल बिल लाने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। हम सब यहाँ बैठे हुए एक बहुत प्रभावी लोकपाल बिल लाने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध हैं और हम ऐसा बिल लाएंगे। हम इस सदन से उन्हें आश्वासन देते हैं कि हमें कितना भी संशोधन करना पड़े, हम एक सशक्त और प्रभावी लोकपाल बिल इस सदन से निकाल कर लाएंगे।
Parliament unanimously has appealed to Sri Anna Hazare to break his fast, and Prime Minister has also proposed that Jan Lokpal bill, along with others,